Welcome to this full and honest review of Nürnberger Versicherung, one of Germany's well-established insurance companies, with a long history in providing various types of coverage including health, life, disability, and pension plans. In this video, I'll walk you through my personal experience using their services, the process of signing up, the options available, and where I think they excel, and where they don't. Starting with the website itself, Nürnberger Versicherung's homepage looks clean and relatively modern, although not particularly innovative. Navigation is simple enough, with main categories for private customers, business clients, and brokers. If you're an individual looking for health or life insurance, you'll likely head straight to the Privatkunden section. Under private offerings, the site provides a range of insurance products including private health insurance, term life insurance, occupational disability, and long-term care. One thing that stood out to me right away was how jargon-heavy the site is. If you're not familiar with German insurance terminology, you may find it difficult to understand exactly what is covered and what isn't. There are few tooltips or simplified explanations, which makes it harder for first-time users. The quote process for private health insurance is fairly automated, but not as seamless as competitors like Allianz or DaBica. You'll need to enter personal data, including income and existing conditions, before getting any sort of meaningful quote. Once submitted, you're usually prompted to speak to a representative, rather than getting a full breakdown online. This might be off-putting if you're looking for full transparency upfront. One notable strength is their range of coverage options. Nürnberger allows for flexible combinations, especially for occupational disability insurance. They offer modular plans where you can tailor coverage to specific needs. However, the premiums are not the most competitive. You could often find similar coverage with lower monthly rates from newer insurance startups, or even traditional rivals. Claims processing is relatively average. According to my experience and reviews I researched, claims are not necessarily denied more frequently, but they are processed slower than with companies that have fully digitalized back-end systems. For health and disability claims, paper documents are often still required. This can be frustrating, especially in a market where other insurers have moved to entirely app-based claims. Their customer service is a mixed bag. Phone support during office hours is available and generally competent, but don't expect 24/7 help or advanced chatbot features. Emails are typically answered within a few days, and there's no live chat option as of now. The Nürnberger mobile app is limited in functionality. You can view your policies and submit some documents, but it lacks deeper features like live claim tracking or direct advisor communication, which you find in other insurance apps. Their digital transformation efforts appear slow and uneven. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now let's talk about the reputation and trust factor. Nürnberger has a strong reputation in Germany, especially among older clientele and those who value traditional financial institutions. The company has been around since the 1880s and is seen as stable and reliable. However, that doesn't always translate to innovation or customer-centered design in today's digital world. For tech-savvy users or expats, the platform might feel outdated and inflexible. Another thing to consider is language. The entire site and most documents are in German only. There's no official English version of the site, which makes it less accessible to non-German speakers or newcomers navigating the insurance system. From a financial standpoint, the company is sound. It maintains solid ratings from financial watchdogs and offers a good selection of retirement and pension products. But again, usability and access to real-time digital services remain a weak spot. In summary, Nürnberger Versicherung offers a solid portfolio of traditional insurance products, and can be a good option if you prefer to deal with a legacy provider with a strong reputation in Germany. However, it falls short in digital experience, transparency, and modern service tools. If you're looking for a fully digital insurer, or something that better serves the needs of expats or younger users, you may want to consider other options. If this review helped you, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more honest reviews like this one.